In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a head and shoulders pattern in Tradingview so you can easily spot reversals and keep your analysis clean and professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load your chart. Once you are inside the chart workspace, look over to the left side where all your drawing tools are located. Now, find the head and shoulders pattern tool. If you don't see it right away, click on the pattern tool section and expand it until you find it. Select the tool, then move your cursor onto the chart. Start by clicking where the left shoulder begins, then click at the head peak and finally click at the right shoulder area. As you do this, Tradingview will automatically draw the full pattern for you. Take your time here and make sure you're aligning the pattern with the actual swing highs and lows on the chart. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should clearly represent the structure. Once the pattern is placed, click on it to adjust it. You can drag the points to fine-tune the shape so it matches the price action more accurately. If you want to customize it, open the settings by clicking the gear icon. From here, you can change colors, line thickness, and make the pattern stand out or keep it minimal depending on your style. This helps you keep your charts organized and makes it easier to review your analysis later. That's it! You now know how to draw and customize a head and shoulders pattern on Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.